Yo, what's good, guys? Just a quick little video here to show you a neat little trick because we're going to be doing some machine learning tutorials. I'm actually working on one right here on logistic regression. So this video is about dealing with just like messed up data or whatever. So we're going to use this data set that is basically, the information in it is some marketing stuff relating to a bank or something, but it's pretty complete. But you're going to notice that it's all jumbled up into this first column here, right? So there's all these categories. There's age. Let me zoom in a bit. There's age. There's marital status, education, blah, blah, blah. And we're going to use logistic regression to figure out if these people should get a loan or something like that. I haven't figured it out. But anyway, you see how it's all in the first column. If you download it, you might get something like this if it's not from like Kaggle and organized. So what you can do is Excel is super powerful. Is just go to the column where everything is, and we're going to go to the data tab and text to columns. There we go. So this is a common problem. Make sure you got delimited checked, and you're going to go to next, and then we're going to click the delimiter is going to be a semicolon. Okay, so you want to make sure you have that checked, and you should be done. So finish, and boom, and now everything is nice and neat and in its respective column and is ready for us to work with. So I'll see you in the next video where we're going to do some logistic regression, and if you want to get some tips on how to fix up your data, maybe Google it a bit. But we're going to use this data set, and I'll put it in the link in the next video, and now you know how to fix it up. So see you in the next video, and okay, take care. I never know how to fucking end the video, so bye.